Hello, I am Sala. Welcome to my channel and my new video, friends. Today I will introduce our prefabricated house of 86 square meters, which you have seen behind me, friends. This house was designed as a prefabricated house that we built in Mugla, Gokova. You can reach us from our contact numbers on our website, from our social media accounts in the comments section, friends. Before starting the video, if you subscribe to my channel from the subscribe button at the bottom right and press the bell button, you will not miss the next videos. Friends, if you like my video, don't forget to press the like button. Let's start our video then. Yes, friends. This is how our prefabricated house of 86 square meters looks from the outside. Our prefabricated house was worked on a platform, friends, so no concrete process was applied to the floor. Metal poles were climbed to the floor and chassis were placed on it. Our prefabricated house was established in Aaron. Friends, there is no concrete process on the floor. My friends, our insulation coating, which we call Yalapan on the exterior of our house, is a wood-like coating with a layer-by-layer pattern. The colors of the exterior of our house are anthracite gray combined with white in our corners, and a beautiful appearance has been gained, friends. It has a balcony, friends. This balcony, you can see that aluminum railings were made on the balcony of 30 square meters in total. The blinds were applied on our windows, friends. Let me show you closely. Our pleated mosquito nets were fitted like this. All the windows of our house were treated with mosquito nets and so on. This way, the blinds were also applied, friends. Let me show you from the other side. This is how it looks from the other side of our house, from the wide side, friends. Let's go inside our house. Let me show you the interior design slowly now. As we climb the stairs, an L balcony welcomes you back. The entrance to our house is available with a steel door. When we enter through the steel door, an open kitchen lounge area welcomes us. Friends, let me show you the living room area, and this way we have a kitchen area. Friends, this is an open kitchen lounge area of 28 square meters in total. Friends, immediately from here, before the kitchen, on our balcony in our house, we have another exit in our big 180 feet window here. Room is right in front of us. There is a toilet and bathroom area. Let's start with the toilet and bathroom. There is a toilet and bathroom area of 5 square meters, friends. You can see that the toilet area, shower area, sink and washing machine are reserved for the electricity and water installations. A friend's toilet after the bathroom. We have a bedroom on our right. Let's see, we have a bedroom of 12 square meters here. Finally, we have one more bedroom. The square meter of this bedroom is 12 square meters. Our 2 bedrooms are 12 square meters. There are 12 square meters of work here. Friends, of course, you are a large family. You can request more or larger bedrooms. A special door was studied in this way. Adopanen is Adu brand Ada doors. Friends, they are top-class doors. They are not affected by any scratches, moisture, humidity. Friends, there is a plaster coating plaster and process on the interior of our house, just like the exterior of our house. In the same way, the reverse time process was applied on the ceiling. You do not see any of our connection elements there. It was given a completely reinforced concrete house. Friends, one of the questions you ask most in prefabricated houses is this. You ask a lot in this way. When we applied gypsum plasterboard coating on the interior, When we apply the screed coating, stone cladding or natural stone coating on the exterior, your house does not look like a prefabricated house from the outside. Friends, in terms of insulation, these types of buildings, whether they are steel buildings or prefabricated houses, they are top-class buildings in insulation, and likewise, these buildings are affected by earthquakes and they are not damaged in any way by natural disasters. I tried to tell you as much as possible. My friends, you can reach us from our website, social media accounts or contact numbers in the comments section below to learn about prefabricated houses, price information or more detailed information. Friends, if you like such videos, you can subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. Bye, have a good time.
Hoşça kalın, iyi seyirler.